Hello, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. Now today I'll be showing you how I make this delicious super moist chocolate chip banana nut bread. So guys, let's get started. So here are my ingredients. Over here I have some bananas. These bananas are overly ripe, but that's exactly what I want them to be. Some eggs, and I have some brown sugar. I have some array of nuts and seeds and dried fruits. I have some chocolate chips, some vanilla extract, some vanilla yogurt. I have cinnamon, baking powder, salt and baking soda. I have some vegetable oil, and of course I have some all-purpose flour. So I'm just going to go ahead, peel and mash the bananas. Now I'm just going to mash these guys. The riper the banana, the easier it is to mash, and also the sweeter your banana bread will also be, because the riper the banana, the sweeter it is. Now I'm going to go in with my whisk for a smoother consistency. Now I'm going to go in with my yogurt. And of course, I will leave everything that I'm using down in the description box, so you could go ahead and check it out. And if you don't have yogurt, you could substitute with sour cream. I'm going to add my vegetable oil and my eggs. And I'm going to whisk to combine. Now I'm going to go in with my vanilla. And my sugar. Now guys, I cut my sugar in half because here the banana is sweet and the yogurt is sweet as well, but you could go ahead and use a full measurement, which I will be leaving down in the description box. Now I'm just going to go ahead and combine all my dry ingredients: the salt, the baking powder, the salt, and the cinnamon. And I'm going to fold this in small amounts. Now I'm just going to go in with a spatula to fold this in. And guys, you don't want to mix this too much. You want to mix until just combine, because we don't want to develop the gluten. Hence, for a more dense and thicker bread, we want this to be soft, moist, and fluffy. And I'm going to go in with my array of mixed nuts and fruits. Now, for the mixed nuts and fruits, you could add whatever blend you like. If you don't like one, leave it out, or you add or take out what you don't like. And for the chocolate chips, you could go mini chocolate chip, white chocolate chip, whatever you like. The option is endless, and the bread is yours, so you put whatever you like in your bread. Now I'm just going to go ahead and grease my baking pan. I'll be using this baking spray, but you could always use some butter or some oil to grease your pan. If you have a non-stick pan, that's totally fine too. And I'm going to place my batter into the pan, and I'm going to bake this in a 350-degree oven that's been preheated for about an hour and 10 minutes. Now guys, it depending on your oven and the thickness of the batter in the pan, it will take more or less time to bake. So you just want to keep an eye on this and checking it at intervals to make sure that it's not overdone. Now into the oven this goes. After an hour and 10 minutes, this is what it looks like. I check with a skewer and it comes out clean. You want to check in more than one spot, because just in case it goes in a pile of chocolate, you want to stick again to make sure that it is fully baked. Guys, if you have reached this far in the video and you haven't yet subscribed, hit that subscription button, turn on the post notification bell that says all, so you will be notified each time I upload a new video. Now guys, this banana bread was so moist, so flavorful and delicious. Now let me know down in the comment section what you think about this recipe, and also if you would try this recipe. And if you try this recipe and you like this recipe, you could tag me on Instagram at Toya's Kitchen to let me see your final product. And there you have it, the final product. Guys, let me tell you, my kids enjoy this to the max. Let me know about it down in the comment section. Until then, my beautiful people, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye for now.